Hey guys, what's up? So I know I haven't made a video in so long, but I wanted to make a video today showing you what I usually bring if I go somewhere, if I travel, and what I usually bring in my camera bag. So let me actually show you that right now. I'm using a GoPro to film this because I want to show you what's in my camera bag right now. I think that would show a better view of what I bring. So let's get into it. So guys, here it is. I am actually doing a hike right now. You can't really see here on the GoPro because it's set to a certain brightness. So this is it right here. My camera bag. I think I've shown you this before. It's newer. It's a newer camera bag. That's what the brand is called. It was like 30 bucks. So let's see here. Okay, there it is. So this is the camera, what I usually bring. I got the USR here. I am using on there is a 50 millimeter 1.4. I don't know if you can see that on the GoPro. And I have this right here. This is a 24 1.4. Also, when I usually travel, I get rid of my heavy lens that I usually take all the time. That is the 70-200. I don't really need it for this kind of thing. So 2 prime lenses, although I could just replace these with a 24 to 70 2.8, but I like these prime lenses. These are Sigma lenses. A review on this 50 millimeter 1.4 coming really soon. So this, and then we have the drone over here. This is the Mini 2, DJI Mini 2. The batteries and the remote. The drone right here. This is a charger. I usually keep the GoPro in here, and a Gobi what is it? ND filter. I usually keep the battery. I usually keep the laptop charger right here, and this is just the other piece should be here. Clean up the dust on the camera. On the outside of this is a mic. This is a, sorry about the hands over here. This is a mic, and this is a Joby tripod. This is a Joby tripods, and this right here, some wiring that I usually use. This is a charger in the middle, the blue one right here, and that is the lens cover. There's an extra SD card in there. Up here are the cleaning cloths. I have a lot of them, and then the GoPro mount for the camera, hot shoe mount. And this is it right now. This is what I'm using. This is what I usually travel with. I'm actually my main lens right now has been the 50 millimeter 1.4 Sigma. So a review on that coming really soon. Of course, a couple masks right here. A review on that coming really soon. I'm actually gonna switch over now to the camera right here and show you what's, what the difference is between the GoPro and the camera. Of course, the vlogging, whole vlogging thing. I am gonna start vlogging. I've been thinking of recording like my hiking and stuff. I've been doing a lot of hiking, but this is nothing. I'm actually in Vegas right now. This wasn't really a hike. I'm not even dressed for a hike. So I'm gonna start recording my hikes and everything, and travel videos. That's what I've been trying to do with school and everything, but I'm gonna try to do that more. Let me switch over to the camera now. Hey guys, so now we are switched over from the GoPro to the EOS R. I'm using the Sigma 24, sorry about the shakiness. So I'm using the Sigma 24 1.4. It's not like the best lens, as in for vlogging. It's not the widest. Actually, I'm using the camera pretty far out, and it is a heavy setup, so you do need to be a little stronger to hold this. But let me show you the view over here. There we go. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. It is a 2-point. I'm using a Joby, not a Joby, Gobi ND filter. You can kind of see it's a variable ND filter. You can see the crosses that you kind of usually see with ND filters. But yeah, I'm gonna start vlogging with this setup and actually using, start vlogging my hikes and everything. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this, and yep, like and subscribe, guys.